Hey, Rob here for Southwest Florida Television. It's Friday morning, September 30th, and I'm just out walking the neighborhood, and I wanted to just give you a look at what is sadly not an uncommon sight here in North Naples, Florida. This is the Connors area, the finger canals in the Connors area of North Naples. Boats just pushed up out of the water from the storm surge and the wind. I'm gonna walk around and get a couple more videos of some of the damage here to share with you. Just keep all these people in your thoughts and prayers, and remember, this was not the worst part of the storm. Up to the north of us, those people are in serious shape. They need your prayers.